Sebastian's new motorcycle, Kawasaki 140, even big enough for me to ride. Got to learn how to use the clutch. He's been doing pretty good.
Hi, Justin.
Look at that. You've been able to stop without killing the motor. Now can you take off again without killing it? All right. Good job.